dearest people of the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh Sheikh, and most of the videos we've been talking a lot about science, we've been talking a lot about commerce and all of that. But don't worry, we have something for you in the section of arts also. So come with me, travel to Florence, and let's explore the Leonardo da Vinci's workshop collection from the 16th century. So with this, you're sitting here in your own country and you're able to explore the workshops done by some famous work through the Mozaik 3D application. Thank you so much.